explorers, Curious Zayden here. Today we meet
Marie Curie! Marie Curie was a scientist who changed the world. She discovered new elements, radium and polonium, that helped doctors fight diseases. She studied in secret at first, because women weren't allowed in universities in Poland. But she kept going. She moved to France and became the first woman to win a Nobel Prize.
Yay!
Amazing! And then she won another one.
Marie Curie showed the world that science belongs to everyone, no matter your gender.
What can we learn from Marie Curie?
That curiosity leads to discovering. Never stop asking
Why?
why. Believe in yourself even when others don't.
Let's try together.
Okay, ask one big question this week, then find the answer.
Stay curious, stay kind, and shine like Marie Curie.
Bye-bye.
Bye!
Here we have one of Zay's Lego pieces.
And then we got a heavy rock for one of our decorations.
From the
And
gardens.
we got a small ball. And we got 2 sticks from a game.
Okay, so we've got these objects here. So let's start with the 2 sticks. Aiden, do you want to try these? Do you think
I'll
this...
let Zay go first.
Okay, Zay can go first. Do you reckon they're gonna float or sink?
Sink.
Okay, let's try. I think that is sinking.
Or float.
Yeah, because it's long
Yeah.
enough. Okay, very good. So we saw that these sank, which means they have more density. Very good. Yeah, sure.
In there.
I'll leave it in there? Okay, we'll leave it in there. All right, the next one. Aiden, which one would you want to do?
I want this to be rock.
Okay, let's do the rock. Let's drop it in gently because it's glass. We don't want to break the glass, right?
Yeah,
So
and
what-
this rock is actually pretty heavy.
Quite heavy.
So I think it would sink.
Sink?
Because the heavier it is, it will sink.
The more density it has. Okay, let's try.
Gently.
Wow, that sunk so easily. It must be really heavy. Okay, very good. Can I have a go? Can I have a go?
sure.
All right, I'm gonna do Lego.
Yes.
Let's see.
Last one's capybara.
I think Kabara.
No.
Yeah. No. Okay. All right. Okay. I reckon this is gonna float because it seems quite light. Doesn't have much density. Let's try. 1, 2, 3. Yes.
Yeah.
It came back up again. I was right.
Can I do this?
Okay. Last one.
No, capybara does it. Capybara does the ball.
Do we think it's gonna float or sink?
I think it's gonna float.
Okay. Let's try.
Yeah, come on, capybara. Yeah.
Yes. It floated. We were correct. So, what did we learn today? Things that have more density,
will
sink. And ones that have less density will?
float. No. So,
They float. Yeah, very good.
sorry.
Okay, well done, guys. Thank you very much. All right, let's say goodbye to everybody. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.
Say bye, capybara. Bye.
Bye.